ground Bonanza 1546 Foxtrot, Air West. Lincoln departure information Sierra.
We Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, Boeing ground. Would you like intersection or full length?
We'll take Alpha Niner this time, 46 Foxtrot.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, runway 14 right at Alpha Niner, taxi via Alpha.
14 right, Alpha Niner via Alpha, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Clear left and right. Heading indicator, exit indicator, airspeed, vertical speed, altimeter are all good.
Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, follow the Cessna in the upwind. They're also doing Lincoln departure, runway 14 right, Alpha 9, clear for takeoff.
We'll follow that Skymaster, clear for takeoff, 14 right, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot. Final is clear. Takeoff power is set, fuel flow is good, airspeed's live.
Tower exit 571, we ready, Bravo 1. Exit 571, Boeing Tower, ready to stand by, I'll get you on about 10 seconds. No worries, and this will be the last one, planning a left turn back to signature. Exit 571, thank you, runway 14 right, Bravo 1, clear for takeoff. 14 right, Bravo 1, clear for takeoff, exit 571.
Gauges are good. Gauges are good. Secure up.
10 Foxtrot, Boeing Tower, Fish and Tango's current wind 1408, altimeter 3014. Thank you.
Bremerton traffic, Cherokee 43901 Juliet, clear runway 20, Bremerton.
Bremerton traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot's about 6.5 miles east-southeast, planning left traffic, runway 20, Bremerton. Bremerton traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot's 3 miles out, 45 left traffic, 20, Bremerton. Speed checks, approach flaps. Bremerton traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning left downwind, 20, full stop, Bremerton. Bremerton traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning left base, 20, full stop, Bremerton. On speed, 3 green, mixtures rich, props forward, waiting on the flaps. Speed checks, full flaps. Bremerton traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, turning final runway 20, full stop, Bremerton. New LED lights are nice and bright, that's for sure. 3 green. Full flaps, everything's forward, ready to land. A little slow. On center line. On glide path.
Bremerton traffic, Cessna 5366, Mike. We've just finished our run up here, holding short of runway Alpha 1. We're going to hold short for the aircraft on left base for runway 20 to get going before we climb out. Bremerton.
Bremerton traffic, Bonanza 46 Foxtrot, clearing runway 20 Alpha 4, taxiing back 20 Bremerton.